Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you always. Be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical design crochet ladies gloves designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique crochet ladies gloves designs. Haila. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. Unique textures, crochet fabrics add a textiles, handmade qualities, stylish experience add a touch of elegance of outfit. New yarns color suit individual taste. One time cotton soft breathable and crochet fabric provides insulations, easy care, machine washable and dryable. Suitable for crystal dresses of the formal occasion, conditions, poster, and the fitting stylish design enhance self-esteem, handmade love, each stitch, care and attractions reflects personal styles and taste. Health benefits and the choosing on chemical-free yarns and hemoglobin crochet fabric reduce skin irritations, rest, export tips and the touch screens provides complete hand coverage, add delight, feminine details, feature ingredient textures, patterns, crochet and the campus crochet with other materials, and the soft breathable and the softness into warm light hand and the moisture whiteness and the eco-friendly soft and the breathable silk and the silk brown lectures and the soft and yarns. Crochet fabric creates a dinner perfects and the double crochet provides a security looser move and texture fabric compares to benefits of single and the double crochet and the allow and creations and the graphic designs creates a delight air and fabrics. Choose suitable yarns, weight and the hook size. Consider hand size and the shape. Use ready steams and the joints, block finish, gloves and the professional finish. Add custom details, buttons and the embroidery. Croatian ladies gloves offer style, comfort and the practically making them a wonderful accessory and the to any wardrobe. So viewers, please share this video with your family and friends who want these types of Croatia different designs and ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. Viewers, different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite design and apply on your place and the Croatia dresses on the hand. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. Croatia, they will get new designs and new ideas related to your crochet different designs. So viewers, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Would you like to more information and specific patterns of yarn and commentaries? Be connected with me friends and remember me in your prayers. See you soon viewers, take care and Allah Hafiz.